gold coins, silver bars, proof sets. If you're new to precious metals, the options can feel overwhelming. Where do you even start? One of the first challenges with precious metals investing is deciding which products fit your goals. The Welcome to Augusta guide makes this easier by showing how they have researched and selected gold and silver coins from national mints, with clear options for both IRA and cash accounts. It's not about buying everything you can, it's about choosing metals that align with your retirement plan and comfort level. This section breaks it down so you can see exactly what's available and how it works. I'll link this guide in the description so you can review the full list and examples for yourself. This guide is part of Augusta's free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. That's 8 PDFs in total. Each guide focuses on a different step in the process, from understanding IRS rules to choosing the right metals. Together, they help you make clear, confident decisions. Grab the bundle right below, read through this section, and match the examples with your own retirement goals. It's completely free, beginner friendly, and takes the guesswork out of picking your metals. You can find the link in the description.